Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can build templates on Notion. So for that, open up your Notion account, and after that you need to click on the add page on the left hand side, and you can also create a new page. So just click on add page or new page. Then you need to figure out what kind of template are you looking to build. And in this video I will be showing you how you can build a template for YouTube processing, like someone is a YouTuber and how they can smoothly run their process of making videos on YouTube. And for that we can create a template for them, and this is how the template process should go, and I will try to keep it as simple as possible. So first of all, we need to know whether we will be requiring any tables, boards, or any other thing. So we will create a simple to-do list type of template for YouTube processing, and for that we will require an empty page, or it can be a page with icon, and icon can be our YouTube's profile picture. So we will just go with it, and here you can change the icon by clicking here. But it can be emojis or different icons, or you can select the profile picture of your YouTube. So just click on custom and paste the link to the image, or you can just upload it. So let me just upload one. So I just selected the profile picture that I was looking for, and after that just name the YouTube channel. And suppose you want to have a to-do list, so we will just create a subheading here, and it should be heading 2, and we can type in YouTube processing over here. Then we can select the color of this. For that you need to highlight your text and then go to A over here and then click on it. After that you will be able to select the color of your text. So let's keep it blue. Then again click on the next line, or you can click enter, then type slash, and you will be able to choose the headings, tables, bulleted points, numbered list. So we need the to-do list here. So we will just click here and it will give us a checkbox. Then we will just select this checkbox and copy it, then click on the next line and paste it again, and then we will just type in our processing like video recording. Then we will type video editing, or just simply editing, then click enter, and it will give us the checkbox for the next process. And then we can type graphic designing, and finally we can type in publishing. And this way, whenever our process is complete, we can just simply tick the mark here, and it will make us clear that what are the tasks that are still remaining. So in that way it will make us efficient, and this process can be copied for our homeworks, for our day-to-day task, and this template can be used there in the similar fashion. And this is one of the basic templates I could have shown to you, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button if this video helped you, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.